How to find cache and cellular data settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find cache and cellular data settings on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and here we'll find profile, click on it and click these three lines here in the top corner and now click settings and privacy and then just scroll down until you find it here, the cache and cellular data settings. And here you can manage it. You can manage free up space or data saver and wallpaper. Just manage here anything you want and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.